Alright, so I'm back with another video. I'm back with another banger video. I say it's an air video because air video is a banger. Y'all should already know this. But in this video, I'm bringing y'all another DIY video. Y'all niggas know this shit what I'm finna do now. This shit basically turned to a damn DIY channel overnight. But I'm finna be giving y'all another DIY video. Today, we finna be making a crew neck, sweatshirt, sweater, whatever you want to call it, out of a tapestry blanket. So yeah, I seen these going around. Like I seen like a couple of them, and I just wanted to hop on the train. I feel like they look very tough. So yeah, mine might be a little different. You all know how I do. I wanted to make it like a Raf Simon like tight vest, like how the sleeves are OD long and it's like a crop. Y'all gonna see if I do it. Y'all gonna see. But yeah, that's what I'm finna do. So, but for y'all who don't know what a tapestry blanket is, y'all probably seen these go around a lot lately. But I'm finna just show y'all the one I'm using. So this is the one I'm using. But yeah, it's just like this Bible thing, blanket. But yeah, I'm finna be using. I feel like it would be a very tough like crew neck. I feel like it would look very tough. So yeah, we're gonna get to doing that. I was gonna make it a hoodie, but I realized I didn't have enough fabric. So yeah, let's get straight to that video. Let's go. All right, and I did want to say I cut out the pattern already because I didn't want to do that on camera. It was boring and it took OD time. And as y'all see, manifested in the back. I gotta find a way to watch season 3 because there's a season 3 and I have to get tuned in. This is the last episode of fucking season 2. But yeah, I'm putting y'all on. Go watch Manifest right now. That shit fire as fuck. No cap. But yeah, let's get straight to the video. Let's go.
Classic nigga, that's classic J shit.
Alright, so kind of messed up. Y'all see it right here. But and I don't got enough fabric to like just make a new one. So what I'm finna do right now is just zigzag stitch this and like make sure it's like normal. But then we can get on to the actual sewing process. I kind of made a mistake, so yeah, I gotta fix that. But yeah, then we can get on to the actual project. So yeah, let's get straight to that. Let's go. All right, so right now I'm finna be sewing the back sides together so I can just have a back, like all your hoodies. So yeah, let's get straight to that. Let's go.
I had this little bad thing, something like them tens. She gave a nigga mad brains, something like the whiz. But you see the sad thing, fucking with her is the chick ain't even had brains, dummy like a bitch. So I tried to show her about the world and about just who we really are. And where we've come and how we still have to go really far. Like baby, look at how we live broke on the boulevard. But all she ever want me to do is unhook a bra. Then all I really want is for her to go down low. Before you know it, she wet enough to get drowned slow. And all that deep shit I was previously down for.
All right, so now I'm finna sew the front panel, whatever you want to call it, to the back. And then I'm gonna do that with the other side. And then I'm gonna try to figure out this sleeve thing. And then try to figure out, if I got enough for the hoodie, it kind of changed to like me making a hoodie, but shit, let's figure out if I do even have enough. So yeah, let's check to that, let's go.
Replaced by freak shit I am currently down for. You see, I peeped it, pussy is power. That proud feeling we get knowing that pussy is ours. And how it feels to feel that feeling you feeling when you be drilling that shit. Got a saying you be killing that shit. Lights please, turn off the lights. For now everything just seems so right. And how you make the darkness seem so bright. I'm feeling like things gon' be alright. Lights please, turn off the lights. For now everything just seems so right. And how you make the darkness seem so bright. I'm feeling like things gon' be alright. So now we in the hotel, mirrors on the...
This is how it's looking, like a damn some Kanye would wear type shit. But yeah, it's a vest now, so I'm finna try to add the hoodie on. I'm gonna watch a video on YouTube to see how. But that's what I'm finna do. Finna see how to add it. Oh no, I gotta add the sleeves first. So yeah, let me add the sleeves and then add the hoodie part, cause that hoodie part I might not even add that. I might not even have no more fabric. Let's just straight back to the video. All right, so I got the sleeves. Now we finna just sew it together. So this is how it look right now. Now let's look at what it's gonna look like at the end or whatever. I don't know what the fuck. Come on now.
She say she wanna blow L's, I hear her and I'm willing. But every time I smoke, well a nigga mind gone. So that every word I spoke, well I'm trying to put her on, but she couldn't hear me. I told her all about how we been living a lie. And that they love to see us all go to prison or die. Like baby, look at how they show us on the TV screen. But all she ever want me to do is unzip her jeans. Then all I really want is for her to...
All right, so I got one sleeve. Hopefully it's right. Hopefully I didn't fuck up. And it's looking like I did it good. I'm not gonna lie to you. Looking like it's pretty good. Looking like it's pretty good. Looking like it's pretty good. So I'm gonna do the other one. The sleeve do look kind of short though, but I ain't tripping. But I'm gonna do the other sleeve and then show y'all what it's looking like, and then I'll show y'all the finished product. So yeah, let's get straight to it. Let's go. I'm thinking it's gonna be a pretty good outcome. So yeah, let's get straight to it. Let's go. All right, so this is how the vest coming out, or the jacket actually. So this like, it's kind of, the arms fit good. Like I thought it was gonna be like too short, but it came out good. The jacket is kind of cropped, but I'm actually fucking with it. And then the zipper I figured out like the perfect way to do zippers now. So zipper's perfect. Like, look, it don't zip all the way down, which is like a bad thing, but that shit's still tough. I'll wear it zipped up anyway. So, but yeah, kind of like a poncho. So when I put the hood on, I kept like the little tassels and shit on it. But yeah, this shit hard. Like, you see, and this shit tough. I ain't even seen no hoodie like this with like the hood OD big. Like it kind of look like a poncho or like a Jesus. I texted Prince, like Playboy P. He was he like, I posted this on my story. No, I posted like when I was making on my story or my close friends, and that nigga tapped in. He seen it. And I was telling him this look like them Jesus type fucking. I'm finna pop a picture of it hard. I like the way the arms look on it. The hood is very tough. Like the tassels on the end is so tough. Taking fit pics in this shit too tough not to take fit pics in. DIY was a success. Most of the DIYs I've been doing lately have been a success. I'm getting better with this sewing shit. I'm telling y'all, I'm going crazy this year. I did not lie yet. But yeah, this how it's coming out.